Good morning, my dear students. Today we will talk about enrichment practice for grade 2 midterm exam. First, we start with the first question. Question number 1. Fill in the gaps. We have number 1, 2, 3, and we have 3 words. We have to fill in them in these questions. Number 1. He is a pilot. We write here a pilot. He is a pilot. Pilot. Number 2. These are my pencils. These are my pencils. We write here are. Number 3. It's a beautiful fat cat. It's a beautiful fat cat. We move to question number 4. We have also 3 words. We have those, can, and thin. My dad is thin. My dad is thin. Number 5. A bird can fly. A bird can fly. Number 6. What are those over there? What are those over there? And finally, we move to the last 3 questions, number 7, 8, and 9. My little brother can count to 10. My little brother can count to 10. Question number 8. The green frog cannot fly. The green frog cannot fly. Question number 9. I have a kite and I fly it every week. I have a kite and I fly it every week. We move to question number 2. Label the pictures. We have 4 words. We have 4 words and 4 pictures. We have to match or write every word to a good picture. For example, run. We look here. What we have here? Which one is run? We look number 1, 2, 3, 4. This picture is run. We write here run. The second word is king. Which one is king? This one. We write here king. Word number 3, duck. Oh, this is a duck. We write here duck. Okay, a policeman for the last picture. Policeman, we write here policeman. Okay, and we move to the second question. It's the same question like this one, but with different picture and different words. We have here wing. The first word, this word, is wing. We look at wing. Here's wing, so we write here wing. Okay, second one is king. Again, we find the king. We write here king. Third word is pond. Where can we find the pond? Here is it. Pond. And the fourth word is hand. Which one is hand? This one is hand. Ring. Can we find a ring? Yes, it's here. Ring. And finally, stand. This boy is standing, so we write stand here. we write stand here. Okay, let's move to the next question. Here we have to match every sentence with the right picture. Look, read, and match. For example, this is a sharpener. This is a sharpener. Which picture? This one. So we match this. We match the first sentence with this picture. This is a sharpener. This is sentence number 1. Sentence number 2. Open your book. Open your book. Which picture? This one. This is sentence number 2. Number 3. Samira has got 2 rulers. We try to find 2 rulers. This one. This one. It's 2 rulers. So this sentence number 3 here. We can write the sentence here or we can match it. A lizard cannot fly. Okay, guys, can you find here a lizard? Yes, excellent. This one is a lizard. Okay, sentence number 4, we can write here 4. Number 4. Okay, number 5, can you spell cat, please? Yes, now this boy is spelling C-A-T, so this is number 5. Okay, and finally, number 6, these are 2 pens. These are 2 pens. And here we have 2 pens, so we write this sentence number. Okay, let's move to the next one. Look, read, and match. It can jump and swim. Which animal can jump and swim? Which animal can jump and swim? I think it's the frog. So we match between the frog and this sentence, the first sentence. Okay, it's a thin. Which one is the thin? This guy is thin. So we match this guy with this one. A bond. A bond. Where can we find a bond? We find a bond here. This one is a bond. Okay, he is a pilot. He is a pilot. Look at the picture. Which one is a pilot? Yeah, excellent. This one. A pilot, and there is a plane behind him. He is a pilot. A young boy. Which one is a young boy? Yeah, excellent. Which one is a young boy? Excellent. Yeah, this one is a young boy. And finally, he can talk. Let's check why he can't walk. Oh, very good. Because his leg is broken. So we match he can't walk to this picture. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, question number 5. Read and circle the correct word. Here we have 1 picture and 2 words, and we have to choose the right word. What is this? Is this a sharpener or a ruler? Of course, this is a sharpener. So we put a circle around sharpener. Okay, the next picture is this a pencil or a pen? As we can see, it's a pen. So we put a circle around pen. Next question. What is he doing? Is he drawing or swimming? What we can see here, it's, of course, he's swimming. So we put a circle around swim. Next picture, we look at this man. Is he a doctor or policeman? If we look at the picture, we can know that he's a doctor. So we put a circle around doctor. Another next picture. Look at this fluffy cat. Is it fat or thin? Of course, we can see that it's a fat cat. So we put a circle around fat. Now, the last picture is, it's like a sand, we can find it on the beach. So I think this is a sand, not a wing. So we put a circle around sand. Okay, next question. First, we read this text. Read and circle yes or no. My name is Fahd. So what's his name? Fahd. I live in Qatar. Where is he from? He's from Qatar. I am 12 years old. I am a student at Al-Andalus Primary School. I can spell and write my name. I love English and science. Okay, let's read this text again. Hi, my name is Fahd. I live in Qatar. I am 12 years old. I am a student at Al-Andalus Primary School. I can spell and write my name. I love English and science. Okay, let's move to the questions. Fahd is from Turkey. Is he from Turkey? No, he's not from Turkey. He is from Qatar. So we put a circle around no. Okay, number 2. Fahd is a doctor. Fahd is a doctor. Is he a doctor? No, he is a student. So we put a circle around no. Very good. Now we move to question number 3. Fahd can write his name. I can spell and write my name. So that's right. We put a circle around yes. Question number 4. Fahd doesn't like English. That's not true. Fahd like English. So we put a circle around yes. And the last question, question number 5. How old is Fahd? We check. We go back to the first one. Hi, my name is Fahd. I live in Qatar. I am 12 years old. So Fahd is 12 years old. Okay, so we write here 12 years old. And we write here 12. We can write 12 letters or numbers. We can write either 12 like this in letters, or we can write like this in numbers. Both are right. Okay, the second one. This is a beautiful pond. There are some brown lizards and some ducks in the pond. The ducks are black and white. The lizards can run but cannot swim. The ducks can fly and swim. Let's read it again. This is a beautiful pond. There are some brown lizards and some ducks in the pond. The ducks are black and white. The lizards can run but cannot swim. The ducks can fly and swim. Okay, question number 1. There are lions in the pond. Do we have lions in the pond? No, we don't have. So the answer is no. We put a circle around no. Number 2. The ducks are white. We check. Are the ducks white? Yes, they are white. Here we can see the ducks are black and white. So we put a circle around yes. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Lizards can run. Can the lizard run? Yes, that's right. Here, the answer is here. Yeah. Lizards can run. So we put a circle around yes. Number 4. Ducks cannot fly. No, that's not true. Ducks already can fly. Here we can see the ducks can fly. So we put a circle around no. What color are the lizard? Question number 5. What color are the lizards? Okay, let's check. Let's check the answer. There are some brown lizard and okay. So here is the answer. The color of the lizards is brown. We write here brown. Okay, we move to the next question. Writing. How old are you? This question is for every student. If someone is asking you, how old are you? So, for example, I am 6 years or 7 years. If you are 7 years old, you can write 6. If you are 6 years old, you can write 6. Or if you are 7 years old, you can write 7. Okay, what can you do at school? What can you do at school? For example, I can draw, I can write. If I like drawing, I can write. I can draw. For example, if you can, let's say if you can read, you can write. I can read. Okay. We move to the next question. Where are you from? You can write where are you from. For example, I am from Qatar. So you write I am from Qatar. Or you can write only Qatar. If you cannot write the whole sentence, you can write only Qatar like this. It will be okay. If you are from Qatar, maybe you are from another country, you are from Jordan, Syria, any country you can write here. Okay, let's have another look on the question. Okay, as we said before, he is a pilot. These are my pencils. It's a beautiful fat cat. My dad is thin. A bird can fly. What are those over there? My little brother can count to 10. The green frog cannot fly. I have a kite and I fly it every week. Here, this is a duck, this is a king, this is a policeman, and this boy is run. Now, this picture is stand, this one is king, pond, this is a hand, this is a ring, and this is a wing. Now, this is a sharpener. As we said before, we look here, this is a sharpener. Open your book. Number 2, we match this sentence with this picture. Number 3, Samira has got 2 rulers. So this one with this picture. Number 4, a lizard cannot fly. Here, this is a lizard. So picture number 4 with this picture. Sentence number 4 with this picture. And number 5, can you spell cat? So sentence number 5 with this picture. And finally, these are 2 pens. Sentence number 6 with this picture. Okay, next question. It can jump and swim. This one, it can jump and swim. This picture. Second one, it's thin. It's thin. This sentence to this picture. It's thin. And next one, a pond. A pond, it's water and where duck can live. It's this picture. He is a pilot. He is a pilot. We move here. Yeah, this picture. He is a pilot for this picture. We can see a pilot here. A young boy. This picture. And he cannot walk. We move back there. He cannot walk. This picture. Because his leg is broken. Okay, we move to the next question. Sharpener. This picture, this sharpener, this one. This picture is a pen. And this picture is a swim. This picture is a doctor. And last but not least, this cat is fat. And this picture is sand. Okay, and the last question is these 5 questions. Fahad is from Turkey? No, he's from Qatar. Fahad is a doctor? No, he is a student. Fahad can write his name? Yes, of course, he can write his name. Fahad doesn't like English? No, he does like English. Okay, how old is Fahad? We write here, Fahad is 12 years old. Okay, next question. There are lions in the pond. No, there are some brown lizard. No, there aren't any lion in the pond. The ducks are white. Yeah, that's true. Ducks are white, so I put a circle around yes. Lizards can run. Can a lizard run? Yes, they can run, so we put a circle around run. Ducks cannot fly. No, that's not true. Ducks can fly, so we choose no. What color are the lizard? It's brown. Okay, how old are you? You can write your here how old you are. For example, you are 7 years old or 8 or 6, etc. What can you do at school? You can write what you want here. For example, if you can read, you can here. If you can read, you can write here, I can read. Where are you from? I am from Qatar. Okay, my dear students, thank you for listening and best of luck.